Did you know that around 6% of people will experience PTSD at some point in their lives? But what exactly is PTSD, and how does it impact those who live with it? Stay with me as we break it down in an easy-to-understand way. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. We are diving into an important and often misunderstood topic, post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. Whether you know someone affected by PTSD or just want to educate yourself, this video will give you a clear understanding of what it is, how it affects people, and what can be done to manage it. And don't forget to hit that like button if you find this video helpful. What is PTSD? PTSD stands for post-traumatic stress disorder. It's a mental health condition that can develop after someone experiences or witnesses a traumatic event. This could be anything from a serious accident, a natural disaster, abuse, violence, or military combat. Not everyone who goes through trauma develops PTSD, but for those who do, the effects can be long-lasting and deeply impactful. The key thing to understand about PTSD is that it's not just about bad memories, it's about how those memories continue to affect a person's daily life, even long after the event has passed. Symptoms of PTSD. Symptoms can vary from person to person, but they typically fall into four main categories. Intrusive thoughts. This includes flashbacks, nightmares, and distressing memories that come out of nowhere. Imagine reliving a traumatic moment over and over again. It can be overwhelming. Avoidance. People with PTSD may go out of their way to avoid reminders of the trauma. They might stop visiting certain places, avoid certain people, or even suppress their feelings to keep from thinking about the event. Negative changes in thinking and mood. PTSD can lead to feelings of hopelessness, guilt, or emotional numbness. Some people may lose interest in activities they once enjoyed or feel distant from friends and family. Changes in physical and emotional reactions. This includes being easily startled, having trouble sleeping, feeling constantly on edge, or experiencing sudden outbursts of anger. It's like the body is stuck in a constant state of fight or flight mode. How does PTSD affect people? PTSD doesn't just affect the mind, it affects the body, relationships, and daily life. It can lead to anxiety, depression, and even physical health issues like chronic pain or a weakened immune system. Work and social life may also suffer because those with PTSD may struggle with concentration or feel disconnected from those around them. Unfortunately, there's still a stigma surrounding PTSD, and some people may feel ashamed or hesitant to seek help. But the truth is, PTSD is not a sign of weakness. It's a response to extreme stress. And there are ways to manage and treat it. Managing PTSD and seeking help. The good news is that PTSD is treatable. Some of the most effective treatments include therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and exposure therapy are often used to help individuals process trauma in a safe way. Medication. Antidepressants and other medications can help manage symptoms. Support groups. Talking to others who have experienced similar trauma can be incredibly healing. Self-care. Exercise, mindfulness, and proper sleep can all play a role in recovery. If you or someone you know is struggling with PTSD, reaching out for professional help is the first step toward healing. You are not alone and support is available. PTSD is a serious but manageable condition, and raising awareness about it is crucial. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so we can spread awareness together. And let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts on PTSD? Have you or someone you know been affected by it? Let's keep this conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.